Hello passion fruits and welcome to another vegan cooking video. From now on I will share the exact measurements of each recipe with you guys because a lot of people have been asking. I normally never measure anything, but I've started my own vegan takeaway service here in Belgium, and to be sure I always deliver the exact same quality, I now write all of the measurements down, so I might as well share them with you guys. You can find the exact measurements for this recipe in the description box down below. Besides 1 onion and some cooked white potatoes, you will need 142 grams of nutritional yeast, 12 grams of agar powder. I know I have 16 grams laying here, but as I was making the cakes, I changed my mind and decided that 12 grams would be enough. For spices, you're going to use a pinch of white pepper, 3 grams of salt, 6 grams of onion flakes, 5 grams of garlic powder, 59 grams of liquid smoke, and 28 grams of smoked paprika powder. You're also going to add 207 grams of grilled bell peppers. These bell peppers here came out of a jar. And 510 grams of cooked sweet potato without the skin. I just microwaved my potatoes and let them cool until I could peel them. You're going to add the sweet potatoes, the nutritional yeast, the bell peppers and the spices to your blender and blend. Make sure to stop the blender once in a while and stir to make sure there are no chunks left behind in your mixture. Then you're going to add 105 grams of water and blend again. When that's done, you're going to cut some white cooked potatoes into thick slices. When you boil the potatoes, make sure they still have a crunch to them. Now it's time to bring a small amount of water to a boil and add your agar powder. Keep stirring until the powder has completely dissolved and the sauce has thickened. Then add the dissolved agar powder to your blender and blend away. Now layer your white potatoes, shredded onion and the cheese mixture in silicone muffin forms. If you want, you can also use another form like a round spring form pan, for example. Just be sure to put some baking paper on the bottom to be sure you can lift the cake out of the form when it's done. When it's done, take out the cakes and let them cool off. When they've cooled, put them in the fridge and allow them to stiffen up. After that, you can simply pop them out without them falling apart and reheat them in the microwave when you want to eat them. You can also make a big batch and freeze them so you can reheat them whenever you need to. I always make a big batch of these because they are super filling, they are super healthy, super nutritious, and they are super easy to keep in the freezer and to reheat. So if you have a busy, crazy life like me, you better make a big batch of these. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys later. Bye!